In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the new draw feature here on Instagram. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your app store and go to the little search button and just type in Instagram just like so. Because what you're going to want to do is just first make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. As you can see, I have an update on here. Go ahead and select update and wait for that to finish. And whenever it does finish, go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you do open up Instagram, you're going to see something that looks like this. It's a completely different layout in this update, but essentially go ahead and select your DMs and find a DM that you want to go ahead and chat in. For example, we'll do this one right here that I've previously drawn in previous videos. Essentially, open it up and look in the bottom close to where your messages are and select the little plus arrow down here, and you're going to see the new draw feature on here. Open it up and you're going to see a bunch of different options. This little slider on the left is going to adjust your size, so go ahead and select that. There's all these colors down here, and there is a lot of colors to choose from, so keep that in mind. And then there's even more options, like you can undo your latest one. Like if I do something like that, I can undo it just like so. There's also an eraser, a highlighter, a pencil, and so much more. But essentially, as soon as you get on this page, you could freely doodle and do whatever you want to go ahead and do. And whenever you are ready, just go ahead and hit the little send button down in the bottom right in order to go ahead and send your message. Boom, as you can see, it's now going to be on there. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.